Hello and welcome everyone to the short stock update walk around here at your next car. The vehicle was previously featured on the 20-inch CS style alloy wheels, however we've changed the wheels out for the 20-inch 405M style alloy wheels on this wonderful F33 335D M Sport. If you would like a more in-depth look around this vehicle, if you simply follow the links I'll leave for you up in the top right hand corner, shall appear a link to that video now. You can also check it out in the description as well. So this should just be a quick look around the vehicle. It does come with the full BMW M Sport Plus package alongside of course our full YNC Mperformance Kit. And as you can see now, with these brand new set of 20-inch 405M style alloy wheels, the vehicle's looking really well. Around at the back there's the gloss black rear boot spoiler. It is of course X-Drive, which is an absolute ideal four-wheel drive system, especially with the weather we've had over the last couple of days. We've had torrential snow here, so that could be an absolute ideal system for yourself, especially if you've had it as bad as we have. Around at the other side, it's a really lovely and clean and tidy car. This one, it's only covered just over 18,000 miles, so it is low mileage, and that really shows in just how clean and tidy the vehicle really is. So as I've mentioned, if you do want a more in-depth look around the car, simply follow the link for the full in-depth walk around, and of course there'll also be links for our website so you can check out the pricing and funding options that are available for this superb F33 335D. Thank you all so much. Take care. Bye bye.